Watch this 3-year-old choose between candy and carrots. You won't believe what happens next. All day long, without the sugar crashes, you're about to discover the healthy eating routine that turned one wild little whirlwind into a calm, curious super learner in just 7 days. Meet Maya, 3 years old, full of energy, but always tired by 10 a.m. Her attention span, about the length of a sneeze. Her parents tried toys, books, even screen breaks, but nothing worked until they discovered the power of healthy eating. What changed? It wasn't more toys. It was what went on her plate. On day 1, Maya swapped her syrupy cereal for a fun fruit rainbow and scrambled eggs with a smiley face. Day 2, yogurt with berries and a side of silly carrot sticks. By day 4, her focus time doubled. She started finishing puzzles, asking why questions, and even helping with lunch prep. Healthy eating wasn't just a routine, it became a bonding moment. But it wasn't just Maya who changed. Her parents noticed something bigger. The biggest surprise? Maya's memory improved. She started recognizing more letters, singing full songs, and even reminding Dad where the keys were. Healthy eating gave her brain the fuel it needed to thrive and gave her family a new rhythm of connection. Other parents in her preschool started asking, "What are you guys doing differently?" That's the power of a strong, healthy eating routine. So how can you start this transformation at home today? Breakfast Boost. Always include protein plus fiber, like eggs plus fruit. Snack Smart. Swap cookies for crunch, like cucumbers, hummus, or banana bites. Show happy toddler and parents eating and laughing together. No calorie counting, no stress, just simple, powerful habits that build better brains. In just 7 days, healthy eating helped Maya focus, grow, and thrive. And it can do the same for your toddler. Because of the right routine, it's not just about food, it's about connection, confidence, and a future full of curiosity. Subscribe for more superpowered toddler tips.